Hey vibes fam, welcome back to my channel where good food and some good vibes, it is a must. Today I'm gonna show you how I cook this minced beef. Look at it. Oh, so good. Or mince bolognese. So here I have my pot and I added a little bit of oil and I'm going in with one onion, a nice big onion. So if you have white onion, purple onion, whichever onion, it doesn't matter. Use what you have. So we're gonna go ahead and saute this, right? So mix it up, of course. We're gonna leave it for a minute. If you want to stand there and stir it for the 2 minutes or so until it's translucent, then you can go ahead and do that. So yeah, when that is all done, then next I'm going in with, what do you think next? Yes, some minced garlic. So good. Can you smell my kitchen vibes, fam? Smells so good. So I chopped up some garlic, about 6 cloves of garlic. If you don't like garlic, use 1 or 2. It doesn't matter. But yes, and now I'm going in with some bell peppers. Look at beautiful colors, all the colors of the rainbow. So mix that in, combine, and we are gonna, of course, leave this for 2 minutes, 3 minutes as well. Look at it, vibes. So I'm so beautiful. Trust me, if your food ain't looking pretty, then it ain't fooding. So yeah, this is it. While it is waiting, now this is after 2 minutes. Now we're adding the minced beef. Yeah, the start to the show. Oh my goodness, I will link the video down below of how I season this. When I tell you nice, like thoroughly seasoned, oh, so good. So you know it's gonna taste amazing. So what we're trying to do, we're trying to break it up. So yes, try to separate them because sometimes the beef can clump up together. So just try to separate everything as much as you can, and at the same time combine, mixing those veggies, mixing the niceness. Yes, and we're trying to get it to cook. So when it is cooked, this is the color. So because you're going to be there for a while stirring and separating, it cooks in no time, I promise. And this is the color when it's cooked. But I'm still, look at it, beautiful. But I'm still going to go ahead and leave it for about 5 minutes. If you want and you have time, then 10. But yeah, vibes, Sam, all beautiful. So yeah, vibes, Sam, this is it. So stir it up. So I left it for about 5 minutes, right? For me, 5 minutes. And yes, stir it up. And now we are going in with what? Oh, yes, my bolognese sauce. I'm using bolognese sauce. You can use tomato sauce if you want. It doesn't matter, right? Yeah, so go ahead and mix that up, combine everything, vibes fam. And then I added 2 tablespoons of sugar. Vibes fam, don't ask me where that clip is. I don't know what's going on, but it ain't there. But I'm telling you, you can hear me. So yeah, 2 tablespoons of dark sugar. And what I did, I mixed it up, combined, and then I left it for about 5 minutes because it don't take long to cook. You're trying to just get all the flavors together, right? So yeah, just 5 minutes. If you have a lot of time, then 8. But yeah, vibes, I'm so beautiful. And here we have it, vibes fam. Here we have this beautiful pot of minced beef or minced bolognese, whichever one. So I was explaining what the sugar does is to break up the taste because the bolognese or the tomato sauce can be a bit too tangy for me. So that is why I added. But thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you would have this with. Go ahead and click the thumbs up button, comment, say hi, and share and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you. God bless you.